Hello, it's I, Dust King YouTube channel. Please introduce Nickelodeon's The Adventure of Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius, the complete series. I got it from Amazon a few days ago. Here's a font as Jimmy and Guarded. The Adventure of Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius, the complete series. 10 DVD set. Includes all 3 seasons. Awesome. Now the special features, all 3 Jimmy Timmy Powerhouse special, Jimmy Neutron pilot, behind the scenes, storyboards, and that's all. Shout Factory Paramount Pictures. Look at that. Here we go. Let me get this open. Okay, here we go. Awesome! Look at this! They're huge! Let me take a look at this. Here you go. Ta-da! Here's disc 1, disc 2, season 1. Disc 3. Here's season 2, disc 1. Oops, sorry about that. Disc 2. Disc 3. Here's season 3. Disc 1. Disc 2. Oops. Disc 3. Bonus features. Look at that. Look at that cover. All the episodes. Love it. I'm Carlisha. I'm a bully kid. Iron Shane. I love Ultratron. Ultra Sword. I'm Sadie. I'm Rebby. And I'm Jimmy Neutron. Ow, ow. Also, special thanks to John A. Davis, the creator Jimmy Neutron, Keith Alcorn, Mike Gasaway, Kirby Atkins, Debbie Bailey, Walt Paulson, Jeffrey Garcia, Frank Welker, Carolyn Wallens, Crystal Scales, Mark DiCarlo, voice of Buffalo the Bear, Megan Carroll, voice of Judy Neutron, Candy Milo, Andrea Martin, Tim Curry. Awesome. Steve Odilic, and Paul Marshall. I'm a special fans of Jimmy Neutron, and true fans of all entertainment DNA Productions, and Nickelodeon Animation Studios, MTV Networks, and Falcon CBS. Thank you, please subscribe. Bye, and have fun!